guys, I'm gonna meal prep, breakfast meal prep. All I have to do is I'm gonna put chia in this, almond milk, non-fat yogurt, a little honey, and cinnamon. So this guys, this almond, non-fat yogurt, and this is a cinnamon, honey, and chia, black chia seed. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of chia seed. I made 3. Then I'm gonna put some 1 cup of almond milk. Let's shake this almond because it's been there since morning. This is high fiber because chia is a high fiber. Alright. Then I'm gonna put 1 cup of yogurt. Mabusog talaga kayo dito. Okay, 1 cup of yogurt. Tapos, 1 more, 2 more. Kasi sa asawa ko at saka sa anak ko. Tapos, cinnamon. You can put a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. Tapos, a tablespoon of honey. Honey. Tapos, tablespoon of honey. Script ito guys para pantay sila, di ba? Tapos i-mix mo ng mix well. have to mix well because the chia is it will get so sticky, and the yogurt. So this is, you have to mix well. Bukas ito, ano na to, bukas. Mag-fiki na to kasi yung chia. Tingnan nyo. So naman. Gonna mix well. Would I just mix it with whisk, but it's okay. I mix it with my spoon. You'll be okay. And if you want sweet, a little sweet, you can add more honey tomorrow. But it will be okay because you can add more. You can add fruits. You can top this with fruits. After this, you put the lid. Yan na. You put the lid and put this in the fridge, and tomorrow morning it's ready for your breakfast. You have to top it with any fruit, strawberry, blueberries, raspberries, any fruits that you can top this tomorrow morning. Alright guys, I'm ready to put this in the fridge. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.